There's 13.2 cubic kilometers of molten rock inside that volcano. We can't just shove a giant cork in it.
But we could redirect it, vent the volcano, reroute the lava flow.
Yes, I know this volcano like the back of my hand. If we drill shafts here and here, the lava will flow down the sides of the volcano across the tundra and miss the resort. It'll take serious equipment, and I've got a feeling we're not going to find it in my scrap piles.
If it's serious equipment you want, you could came to the right person. International Rescue, this is Brains. We have a situation.
Not so fast, Thunderbird 2. Those pods are needed.
Thunderbird 2 is go. Again.